Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today, in this class, we are going to learn about the great patriot Aruna Asaf Ali. Children, it is a common knowledge that the British Empire spread all over the globe in the past, and our dear motherland was a part of it. Before 1947, we were under the tyranny of the oppressors. That means we were under the rule of British. Many of the freedom fighters have fought with the British and shed their last drop of blood to redeem her from the shackles of bondage. That means many of the freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives for the sake of the motherland. One such luminary was Aruna Asaf Ali, the famous freedom fighter and the champion of the cause of women. This lesson is a biography of this valiant woman whose remarkable achievement is etched in our history. Aruna Asaf Ali was an Indian educator, political activist and publisher, an active participant in the Indian independence movement. She is widely remembered for hoisting the Indian national flag at Gwalior Tank Maidan at Bombay during a Quit India movement in 1942. Post-independence, she remained active in politics, becoming Delhi's first mayor. Known as the Grand Old Lady of the independence movement, Aruna Asaf Ali was a fiery leader who plunged headlong into politics at the time when the freedom struggle was raging and the youth were laying down their lives for the country's independence. Children, Aruna Asaf Ali was considered as the grand old lady of the independence movement. What was she known as? As the grand old lady of the independence movement. Aruna Asaf Ali was a fiery leader, means she was a leader with great deal of energy. When Aruna entered into politics, the freedom struggle was raging. That means the freedom struggle was filled with anger and the youth were laying down their lives for the country's independence. All the freedom fighters were sacrificing their lives for the sake of their motherland. Born into an Orthodox Hindu Bengali family in 1909 at Kalka in Haryana, Aruna broke conventions at the age of 19 to marry Asaf Ali, a prominent figure in the freedom struggle and 20 years her senior. Her marriage brought her face to face with the freedom struggle and social service which she pursued throughout her life. Aruna Asaf Ali was born in the year 1909 at Kalka in Haryana. She was born into an Orthodox Hindu Bengali family, and at the age of 19 she broke the conventions. That means she broke the customs and traditions to marry Asaf Ali, who was a prominent figure in the freedom struggle, and he was 20 years senior for her. As Aruna broke conventions at the age of 19 to marry Asaf Ali, she was termed as a non-conformist. After marrying Asaf Ali, she took active participation in the freedom struggle and social service throughout her life. Aruna Asaf Ali's first major political involvement was during the Salt Satyagraha when she addressed public meetings and led processions. She was prosecuted in Delhi and on a refusal to furnish security for good behavior was sentenced to 1 year imprisonment. A few months later, when most political prisoners were being released, she was not released until a public agitation was launched in her support. Aruna Asaf Ali's first major political involvement was during Salt Satyagraha. She entered the politics, she entered the freedom struggle for the first time during Salt Satyagraha by addressing the public meetings and leading processions. The impact of Aruna's public address during Salt Satyagraha was that she was prosecuted in Delhi and was sentenced to 1 year imprisonment. That means she was imprisoned, she was kept in jail for 1 year. After few months, most of the political prisoners were released, but they did not release Aruna Asaf Ali until the public came to her support. Until the public came to support her, she was kept in the jail itself. In 1932, she was again arrested and put in the Delhi jail, where she went on a hunger strike to protest against the callous treatment of political prisoners. Her demands were conceded, but she was transferred to Ambala jail, where she was kept in a solitary confinement. After her release, she stayed away from the movement for 10 years. In the year 1932, Aruna Asaf Ali was again arrested and she was kept in the Delhi jail. There, she went on a hunger strike to protest against the callous treatment of political prisoners. In that jail, the political prisoners were very badly treated. They were treating the prisoners very cruelly. So to protest against that, she went on a hunger strike, means Upavasa Satyagraha. Her demands were fulfilled, but she was transferred to Ambala jail. Where was she transferred? She was transferred to Ambala jail. In the Ambala jail, she was kept in a solitary confinement. Andre ಏಕಾಂತ ಸೆರೆವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. After her release, she stayed away from the movement for 10 years. After her release, she will not take any part in the freedom movement for 10 years. I hope all of you have understood till here. Children, the further part of the lesson will be explained in the next class. Now, here comes your assignment. 6 questions are given here. You have to read the lesson properly and answer these questions in your rough notes. I hope this class was beneficial for you. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you.